Hi there everyone, and a very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Ballroom Cha-Cha practice routine number 10. And this was taught on the 20th of February 23, so if you would like to see the full class, head on over to the video library, www.livetodance.eu, and you'll be able to see my entire catalogue of videos, hundreds and hundreds of hours. However, this is just a short summary, so if it's a little bit too quick for you, that's because we broke it down in a lot more detail in the class. So, 4 bars for the first section. So I'm going to start 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. So it's a back rock and a forward lock step. A little ronde chasse, check, return, ronde, change the weight. Cuban breaks fast, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Cross the left foot over, do the spot turn. Left, right, and a cha, cha, cha. That's the first 4 bars. Let's put the full numbers in there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. From here, section 2, next 4 bars, toe heel, 2, 3, back, ball, change. Basic, forwards, and cha, cha, cha. Let me check my notes. Oh yes, spot turn, spot turn. Turn, around, cha, 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 changing direction. Or, if you don't mind locking quickly after the turn, 2, 3, locking back. So you can either cha-cha to the side and pivot, or lock straight away. Okay, so from that position, 1 more lock step on the left, going back. And then we've got some little rocks here. Now, listen to the timing on this section. Toe heel, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Rock, rock, rock. So the last set is basically cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Okay? A little bit quicker, section 2. And 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Now, third section. From here, facing the left wall. Double front tap, 2, 3, back ball change, 4 and 1. Triple lock step. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Spot turn, halfway. 2, 3, lock step, 4 and 1. Then I'm going to lift this foot up, place it over, pivot, pivot, pivot into a spiral on the spot, and pause. Okay, this is the last section. I'm facing the left wall, section 3, and tap, tap, back, ball change, lock and lock and lock and lock. Turn, round, cha, 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 pick up, cross over, spiral and pause. All 3 sections from the beginning. Back rock and 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Oh yes, spot turn. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 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 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. I have to forgive my brain today. I do apologise. Very short summary, but it's very quick. Improvers Solo Ballroom Cha-Cha, not our club style, that's on a different playlist. Practice routine number 10, originally taught on the 20th of February 23. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.